Wanted to talk to you about a basic of skateboarding, which is simply sliding 180 degrees on your skateboard without using your hands. It's a good way to slow down, stop, and also prepare you for fakie tricks without having to push and ride fakie. It involves riding along, preparing your body for the turn, twisting your body abruptly, and using your back foot to scoot your back wheels forward. The trick is to keep it all in one continuous motion. When you hear the sound of your squeaking wheels, you'll know that you're doing the right thing. Let's try one. Make sure to feel the turn in your body before you actually turn. This will prepare your legs and your upper body for the twist. If you slide successfully, you'll find that you're now rolling fakie. You've turned the board completely 180 degrees without having your feet leave the board ever. Let's try it one more time to demonstrate. And remember, your back foot scoots the back wheels. Your front foot simply guides the front wheels to match up with the back wheels action. Using your arms to twist your body is an important part of learning the slide. Keep practicing these, and eventually you'll be able to do them every day.